In this video I will show you how to download and install OpenShot Video Editor on Windows 11. For this you have to open any web browser as shown here. I am opening Chrome browser here. Then in address bar type OpenShot download and press enter. Next click on first link pointing to OpenShot official website. Then you will get download button. Just click on it. It may take some time to download the file. Just wait. Then go to the location where you have downloaded this file. Then double-click on the file to begin the installation. Click on OK. Click on I agree radio button and click on Next. Leave installation location as it is and click on Next. Again click on Next. Again click on Next. Just wait for something to complete the installation. Click on Finish. Then OpenShot Video Editor will auto-launch on your PC. In this way we have successfully downloaded and installed OpenShot Video Editor on Windows 11 machine. You can again close the editor and go to search and type OpenShot and then select OpenShot from the list to relaunch OpenShot Video Editor at any time. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.